I'm Julie Blanner of the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, and today I'm sharing our most recent project with you, our laundry closet. First of all, I'm super happy that I can actually step into the closet now. For the last 6 years, this closet has really been super disorganized and just hasn't quite worked for us. And it has to serve a lot of purposes. And one of the things I reiterate on my website and here on YouTube is that you have to live in a space sometimes to see what you need and how to integrate that and blend it into your design. And that thoughtful design makes everything come together and work well and look beautiful 1, 3, 5, and 10 years down the line. So anytime that I start a project, I first consider the ways that we use the space and then come up with a design idea, which is exactly what I did for this closet. One of the things that we wanted when we purchased our lake home was to not have too much space. As you know, I take a minimalist approach to just about everything, and less is more to me. And so the same thing applied to the space. So we purchased a reverse ranch that has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, but it's all very compact and thoughtfully designed. It's made it really easy to maintain so that we can come on the weekends and leave without the stress. More house tends to be more work. So we have a lot of spaces that serve multiple functions, including this laundry closet. The laundry closet is not only the place where we do our laundry, but it's also the place where we dispose of our trash and store all of our lake needs, including sunscreen, cooler, speaker, and so much more. Now, of course, we didn't have to redo this laundry closet, but it was just one of those things where I felt like I could add function, and these doors are almost always open. While we can open and close them, it just seems that they're open far more than they are closed because we have so many things in here that we need to keep accessible on a very regular basis. So I wanted to make it look pretty and fun and really fit into the house and the overall vibe that I'm going for. So here's what we did. So we just returned to our lake house after not having been here in a while, and we removed everything from this like kind of ugly, undefined laundry closet, which all are, right? And we're gonna give it a little bit of a makeover because late night, that's where it's at. First of all, I knew I was going to have to paint or put wallpaper in. So we used peel and stick wallpaper. It was super reasonable from Amazon and very easy to do. In fact, I think we did it like 11 o'clock at night when we got down here on a Friday evening and knocked it out while the kids were asleep. It was really simple and it just adds that fun element. Oftentimes in closets, contractors will use a pull string light. That's because it's less expensive. You don't have to wire it the same way to a light switch. And I decided that I was tired of that thing draping in front of my face, constantly fearing that it was a spider and just kind of doesn't look that great. So I had a really inexpensive fix, and that is using a special light bulb that coordinates with a wireless switch. It is so simple to install. I actually did it myself when Chris was out of town, and it took me less than 3 minutes to put the switch on the wall and put the light bulb in. And then you can use whatever light fixture you want. Oftentimes you'll see pull string lights as a way that they didn't have to run electrical, so of course it saved money. But these cords are so annoying. Instead of letting these cords get in the way, you can actually use a stylish fixture, any fixture of your choice. It's so much prettier than that. You have two choices. You can use a wireless socket wall switch, and this just plugs into your light fixture. It screws in just like a light bulb would, and then you put your light bulb in, and you can just use this wireless switch on your wall. The other option is using a smart light bulb with a remote control. Either way, it works really well, and it's a super inexpensive fix and allows you to use whatever light fixture you want to. For this, we can't really see the light all too often, but of course when you step in the closet or you look up, you'll see it. But it's white and gold, and it just adds a little extra fun flair, and it's so much brighter in here now too. And no fear of spiders necessary. I am full of tricks to make a space look bigger, and this is one of my favorites. We replaced the old dingy shelving unit that was just feeling dated and tired with a bookcase. Now, adding that just adds another little design element. It has little faux tiny crown molding at the top, but below it is where it's really important. The bookcases have legs which allow you to see the floor underneath, and that gives the illusion of more space because it allows your eye to continue. I'm all for these little tricks that make a big difference. So adding the brighter light, adding those shelves instantly made it feel a little bit bigger, as well as adding the wallpaper all the way up so that it draws your eye up to the ceiling. Another new element that you might notice in our Lake Cottage kitchen laundry room closet are the new white oak floors. This replaced previous white tile that felt a little bit on the cold side. This closet functions as our lake closet. It's where we store our cooler, our speaker, and all of the towels that we need to dry off on the boat. And it also functions as our laundry closet. So I wanted to make it work both ways and kind of pared down to exactly what we need. And one of my favorite things, if you saw my laundry room organization video, is just like a little tray to keep your dryer sheets accessible. You can do that with anything. I just love something that just kind of blends into the design, again, so it's not tacky when you have your closet doors open and a full table here sitting just 4 feet in front of me in the kitchen. For the exterior of the doors, we just used some really inexpensive knobs that I found on Amazon and added some back plates. I want to say it was about $2 a piece to achieve, and it works really well if you just need some dummy closet knobs. Hardware adds just a hint of detail to a space. Previously, we had a single unit washer and dryer, and again, it was just kind of done. I started noticing that it was tearing some of our things, and it was really, really loud. So one of the ways I wanted to blend function and design in here was to reduce the noise. Because again, we come in off the lake and we're putting swimsuits in there and towels, and then what are we doing next? We're having dinner right here, just a couple feet away. So it was another way that we could kind of make this work a little bit better for our family. Just using stackable full-size units so that we can also wash and dry plenty more for our guests, and they fit nicely in this closet. So when you're designing your laundry closet or any other small space, think about how you can blend function and design. I think these are more aesthetically pleasing, they're quieter, and again, that with the bookcase, it makes the room feel larger, allows you to see our new wood floors, and makes the room feel larger as well. This closet also holds our trash can. And again, when we have guests, we are in and out of here often. So I love the feature of this trash can where you can just wave your hand over the top, it opens, you don't get the muck, you don't get the fuss. I really enjoy that because I found that our previous trash can, even with the flip lid that you just stepped on, it would just get filthy. And so many people are in and out of it in one evening. So I think that this is a really nice, convenient way. It looks polished, you don't see into the trash can, and it also functions rather well. Then of course, behind the trash can, I have a basket for our trash bags. Again, anytime you can blend function and design, you won't be afraid to leave those doors open. As always, you can find all of our products linked in the description below, and I'm always here for your questions. Let me know what you think of this little laundry closet. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. I look forward to seeing you again soon.